rodeo. It's R-O space D-A space Y-O as in rodeo or rodeo. This is an easy improver dance. If it weren't for the tags, I'd say it was a beginner level dance. So it is a 4-wall dance, 32 counts, and there are some tags, but the tags are the same each time. All right, so we're going to start with our weight on our left foot, and we're going to do a K-step with claps. All right, so we're going to step up to the right, clap twice, step back, touch, clap once, step down to the bottom of that K-step, clap twice, step up, clap once. All right, so let's do that again. The K-step up, clap, clap, back, clap, down, clap, clap, up, clap. Easy. Let's do the counts. Ready? 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Awesome. Now, the next set of 8, your weight's still on the left foot. You are going to do heel drops. So you're just going to put your right toe forward and drop your heel, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to put your weight on that right foot, and you're going to do a rocking chair on the left. Rock forward and back, recover. So your weight is now on your right. All right, so let's put those two sections together. Ready? K-step up and back, down, up, heel drop, 2, 3, 4, left rocking chair. All right, so now our weights on that right foot, you're going to step forward left, brush right, right, brush left, and then do another rocking chair on your left foot, forward and back, recover. All right, so again, that's step, brush, rocking chair. And the count on that is step 1, brush 2, 3, brush 4, rock 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8, you recover on that right foot. Okay, let's put that together from the top, from the K-steps. Ready? Up, clap, back, down, and up. Heels, 2, 3, 4, left rocking chair. Step, brush, left rocking chair. All right, we're almost to the end of the pattern. Just one more set of 8. So we're going to rock forward again on the left, recover on the right, and then you're going to make a half turn to your left. You're going to step a half and step on your left and scuff the right. And then you're going to do 2 little push hip roll turns just to make a quarter turn to the side. So push, push, and if you want, you can do that little rope hand movement there. And that is the end of the dance. All right, so let's do this again. Some of my dancers had a little hard time with this, so they kind of wanted to turn to their right, but you're rocking forward on your left, recovering on your right, and you're stepping a half turn left. Put your weight on your left and scuff the right, and then 2 little push turns. And those are slower, so let me go through the count on that. So you're going to rock forward 1, recover 2, step half turn 3, scuff 4, push 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Let's do it one more time. So it's rocked 1, 2, 3, push 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Little movement there, because you're just making a quarter turn. All right, so before we move on, I just want to go over a couple things where newbies kind of got stuck on it. You always have to remember with a rocking chair, you rock forward, recover, back, recover. So your weight is on that right foot again, then step left, brush, step right, brush, left rocking chair again, forward and back, you're recovering your weight on that right. So if you don't do your full rocking chair, forward and back recover, you might end up on the wrong foot. So if you're having any trouble, that might be where the problem could be. All right, so let's put that whole pattern together from the top. ready. K-step, step up, back, down, up, heel drop, 2, 3, 4, left rocking chair, step, brush, left rocking chair. Now rock forward, half turn, step, brush, push, push. All right, so we made it to the side wall. So let's try wall 2. This is a clockwise rotation around the room. So let's go around wall 2. We'll start with that K-step. Ready? Up, back, down, up, heels, 2, 3, 4, left rocking chair, step, brush, left rocking chair, rock, half turn brush, push, push, back wall, K-step up, back, down, up, heel drop, 2, 3, 4, left rocking chair, step left brush, step right brush, left rocking chair, rock, half turn brush, push, push, wall forward, K-step up, back, down, up, heel drop, 2, 3, 4, left rocking chair, step brush, left rocking chair, rock, half turn brush, push, push. Right, we are back to the front, so it's not a super hard pattern, it's a little different. So I would give it a little practice, especially at wall 1, before you go around all the walls if you're having a hard time. Now, the tag. The tag happens 2 times during the dance as per the step sheet. We're going to add the tag one more time at the very end, and I'll talk about that in a little bit. So the first time the tag happens, it happens at the end of wall 7. I know that's way into the dance, but it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7, at the end of 7, you're going to be facing the side wall at 9 o'clock. And you're going to do the tag. You're going to do a rocking chair, forward and back, recover. And then you're going to step forward on your right, pivot half, step forward right again, and pivot half. All right, so you're just stepping out, pivoting on the ball of that left foot, step out again, pivot half. If you don't like to do pivot turns, you can do 2 rocking chairs instead. So the count on it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you don't want to do those 2 pivot turns, rock 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then at the end of the tag, you're going to start the dance again. Okay? So that was wall 7. You're going to do wall 8. You come here, do wall 9. At the end of wall 9, you're going to be at 3 o'clock. You're going to do the tag again. Okay? So you're going to do your rocking chair again, and pivot turn, and start right away again with the pattern. So the tag is in between the pattern, not in the middle of the pattern. Okay, so one more thing. Originally, the step sheet said to finish the dance, you'll be at 9 o'clock, just starting your K-step and just turn to the front. But there was a little music left over and it just didn't feel cool to me. So I looked at some of the other demos. This was not my own idea. Several demos showed them ending the dance with the tag at this wall. So they did the tag again. Instead of starting the pattern, they did the tag, rocking chair, and pivot turn, and then they did the K-step up, back, and quarter front, and together, and it ended very nicely that way. It felt complete. Anyhow, try the demo with me and see how you like it. I'll call the steps in the beginning of the dance. If this tutorial helps you, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please post them, and I'd be happy to answer them for you. Okay, here's the demo. Sit on the bull and go. It's got a long lead in. Ride that beat and steal the show. 5, 6, 7, 8, K-step. Heels, rocking chair. watching.